Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost files from a server with DigitalOcean. Complete guide step by step clearly. To recover lost files from a server with DigitalOcean, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the project that contains the droplet from which you want to recover files. Select the droplet to access its management panel. Make a note of the droplet's IP address for later use. If you have backups enabled, check for available snapshots. Click on the Snapshots tab to see a list of your previous backups. Identify the most recent snapshot that may contain your lost files. Next, create a new droplet from the selected snapshot. During the creation process, choose the appropriate size and data center region. Once the droplet is created, access it using an SSH client. Use the IP address noted earlier to connect via SSH. Log in with your root or privileged user credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where your lost files are located. You can use commands like ls to list files and cd to change directories. Search for your lost files using the find command if you're unsure of their location. If you locate the lost files, use scp to copy them to your local machine. For example, use the command scp user at droplet_ip/path/ to /your/file/local/path. If you did not find your files in the snapshot, consider checking the droplet's default backup feature. Return to the DigitalOcean panel and click the Backups tab. If backups are enabled, select the most relevant backup and restore it by creating a new droplet. After creating the new droplet from the backup, repeat the SSH login process. Browse through the directories again to locate any lost files. Once you find your files, transfer them to your local machine as you did before. If neither snapshots nor backups yield your files, consider checking for data recovery tools. Install a data recovery tool suitable for your server's operating system. Run the recovery tool to scan for any recoverable files. Follow the prompts provided by the tool to attempt recovery. If recovery proves impossible, consider consulting with DigitalOcean support for further assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.